Hello traders, this is Sherry. It's a IQ option market. I will be trading with small amount and I will try to put some good quality trades. Okay, so this is just one trade. This was a breakout of the trend line, and based on that I place this trade. We are having support zone at this point, so see, we won this trade, but we want to see if market is able to sweep this support level here, right? So if there is a sweep, liquidity sweep at this point, then we will be going down. Otherwise, if there is a pump from this point, then we will try to place trade with buyers because of this height candle. It's a very huge tail of hammer, which shows that market is trying to put a lot of pressure. But we see this is one candle, this is these two candles shows that market is actually more interested with sellers. Now this candle will decide where we can go. Okay, I'm going with sellers now. We are winning this trade as well. Okay, we won this trade as well, and I am expecting market will come to this trend line. I am going with again with the sellers because market may touch this level, and I don't want to miss this opportunity. Now since market has touched this trend line, market may reverse from this point, but I think it will take some time to reverse because this is 1 hour trend line, right? So I feel market will try to push at this time, and we have 10 seconds left. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we won this trade as well. Now since it has reached to the this is 1 hour actually. If I show you, this is actually at the 1 hour chart, right? So if I just remove this now, you can see that market was really good pumping at this point at 1 hour, but I think market will try some time to go down, then it will reverse. So I will mark, I can go with the buyers once there is a engulfing pattern, right? Or at least this candle should be higher enough this last candle, then I can go with the buyers, otherwise not. This rejection shows that sellers will try again. So I can wait for the market to reach this potential reversal zone again, then I can go with the buyers. Otherwise, at this point, market could be in a competition between the buyers and sellers. Okay, I'm going with buyers now because of this really good hammer. So this is a continuous try at 1 hour chart. Now it went up to this level and got rejected. So seems like we are going to win this trade as well. Let's see how it goes. Since it is a reversal from 1 hour trend line, I'm hopeful that I will win this trade as well. Okay, so this is kind of a weak candle, indecisive candle. So I will wait again for the market to give a really good pump, at least at this time. Once market reaches in this zone again, then I can try for reversal again. Okay, I have placed my trade with buyers now. Since it has reached in the level where market may reverse again. A very strong buyer's momentum at the trend line, right? So just wanted to show you how you can identify such levels, right? If you see this 1 hour trend line, it's very strong entry point that I have made right now, and that can be captured on 1 minute because you don't also the quick movements also in 1 minute, right? So this is our first trade. Very good entry point, very perfect trade. We are just 17 seconds left. So we won this trade as well. Since this doesn't engulf the previous seller's candle, so still there are chances that market may reverse from this point, and I can give this as a red candle, a resistance line, and this is already we have this PRZ zone. Okay, so we will be waiting for the opportunity. And then we can find out in the pairs time, but this is really good PRZ for us, right? So if we see at 1 hour, market is trying to go higher to the point of this point, so we will be again trying to hunt the buying opportunity. This is now liquidity sweep for this resistance, right? So the next one is $6 trade here. Based on we got a really good entry point, and I see previously buyers at the present at this point as well, and since I have increased the time as well, I am expecting that market will break this level as well. Why? Because if we see at 1 hour chart, it is trying to go up to this level. This is where it is trying to reach. Still, our trade is in profit, although we are at risk, but still I am hoping that this is not that bad trade, because it's a buyer's momentum, right? It's going higher and higher and higher. Okay guys, so I'm done with it. We shouldn't be too much greedy. Okay, I think that market will continue moving up to this level where I have marked, but since it is a resistance here, so it is getting rejections now, so I think I shouldn't place any more trades. 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5 and 6. So let's discuss one by one. Whenever market was having this very amazing, market touched this point, but then again sellers started coming down, and it was a wick, right? It was a rejection, really good rejection, but since it came down, it started coming down, and the next support level were here. I prefer to go with the sellers based on this momentum started from this point, and then it moved up. Then buyers tried to support it, but they couldn't create a really good body candle, but just a wick. So whenever this is a situation, there are chances that if there are the entry of sellers, there are chances that market will always come down. right? So then we have a momentum, right? This was a momentum trade, seller's momentum. Then again this was a momentum trade because I already marked 1 hour trend line, very strong support or P or Z, potential reversal zone, and based on that I placed trade even in the middle and it was winning trade, right? And then this was a reversal at like when market reached 1 hour PRZ, it started reversing, and based on that, although this was a little risky trade, because entry point was not that good, but still I got lucky to win this trade as well. And when market reached the actual PRZ again, I again placed for reversal trade for buyers, and I won this trade as well. And when market obviously when you see at that at 1 hour chart market, the destination point is this, right? So based on that, and it was really buyers volume, right? That volume decides market, where market is going, right? Until this we reaching this a strong resistance level that was historically shows that market was respecting this level. I placed trade when market reaches to the 50% of the body of the previous buyer's candle, and based on that I won this trade, right? So all winning trades, no loss, right? And I think it was a good start of the day for me. No matter you don't see how much amount I'm putting, the consistency and the winning ratio shows that when you have a when you are mindful enough, when you know that all technical analysis of candlestick charts, and when you know that small profits are really good, then putting all account in one trade and losing it, right? So I think you guys should practice it, right? If you want to learn from me, you can always reach out to me. I will put my Instagram in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye.